Hey everybody, I hope you're doing well and you're staying healthy. I just wanted to really quickly go over a few things about turning in your first two pages of your high level essay real quick, just taking a look. So the essay is good to go. You guys have everything. The assignment is up and ready. One of the things I just need to do real quick, I'm going to go to student view so you guys can see how I want you to, use this and turn this work in. So you go to modules, there you guys have the tasks, and then the first two pages turn in. When you go to it, you click submit assignment, you'll be uploading your file from your Google Drive. You'll select a file or the file that you want to turn in. For the sake of this, I'm just going to select a random file to submit. Of course, it's not working right now because that would make everything too easy. Okay, so there we go. That worked. So that is the thing that I am going to be turning in. You guys will be turning in your paper. And then this is where I would like you guys to type and put any questions, concerns about what you want specific feedback on. All right. I am going to try and start looking at these this week and giving you guys feedback this week. And then next week I will host a open Zoom session and you guys can pop on and chime in and ask me any questions specifically that you have. So just make sure that in the comments section for your paper, when you turn it in, before you turn it in, any questions, cares, or concerns you have, you type them there for me and I will get those back to you. So thank you guys for watching this short little video and stay healthy. Email me if you have any questions.